I'm eating the Wonka bar and I tasted something what is not chocolate or coconut or peanut butter or nougat or butter bitter or caramel or sprinkles. So look, I found the golden ticket.
Augustus, how did you celebrate?
I eat more candies.
Veruca, can you spell that for us, please?
Veiuca. Veruca Souls.
As soon as my little Veruca told me she had to have one of these golden tickets, I started by all the Wonka bars I could lay my hands on. Thousands of them, hundreds of thousands. I'm in art business, you see, so I said to my workers, "Morning, ladies. From now, you can stop shelling peanuts and start shelling wrappers of these chocolate bars instead." 3 days went by and we had no luck. Oh, it was terrible. My Veruca went more and more upset each day.
Want my golden ticket? I want my golden ticket!
And finally, I found her ticket.
Daddy, I want to know a pony.
This is some dust of the 263 medals and trophies my warrior has won.
I'm a gum chewer mostly, but when I heard about this ticket thing, I later the gum switched to candy bars.
She's just a dream young woman. I don't know where she gets it.
I'm the junior world champion gum chewer. This piece of gum I'm chewing right now. I've been working on 4 free months solid. That's a record.
Of course, I did have my share of trophies. Leslie Battle.
So it says that one kid's gonna get this special prize, better all the rest. I don't care who those are for. That kid is gonna be me.
All you had was track the unification dates offset by weather and the Lincoln Devices Index. Richard Scott figured it out.
Most of the time I don't know who he's talking about. You know, kids these days what all the technology.
Die!
Doesn't seem like this day kids were alone.
In that, I had to buy 1 candy bar.
And how did you test?
I don't know. I hate chocolate.